Today I'm going to show you how I do my screen capture and get music out of my DAW and into my screens for my YouTube content. So I'm using Loopback from Rogue Amoeba. You see I already have a Storyteller Studios East screen capture set up here. Now when I bring up Capto, you can't see it because it's already running here, but you can click here. It's going to ask you for your selection. I'm using my webcam up here, and I'm also using the microphone that's going through my DAW and my PreSonus Studio 192 that I have that runs through. I'm just using the left channel and it's going in stereo here. I've got it going in the left and right to give me a dual mono basically. And then I also have Studio One down here running into my left and right channels. So when I go to then play something, I just bring up Studio One. I've got everything routed through Studio One. Capto's picking that up already, and then what you'll hear is the audio when I hit play. And that's some pretty somber audio. Let me go ahead and get to a verse section here. But you can see it just bounces along and captures what's coming out of your DAW, what's coming out of my mic, and what's on the screen all at the same time. But it's really just that simple. I'm using Studio One, Loopback, and Capto. Plug them all in. They work seamlessly together. It's really great. The only real drawback that I can say is that where I use it to monitor, bring Loopback up here, I have the monitors on. Now, click this off. You probably can still hear me talking, but I can't hear what's going on now. And I'd rather be able to hear everything, so I just brought that back on. You get a little bit of latency. It's what I imagine was going on in Sun Studios back in the day, where there's a slight little bit of slapback, a little bit of latency when everybody was recording. But that's basically the only drawback I can see from using this system. I want to thank everybody for watching today. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys are using. Maybe there's something better out there that I can find. Maybe there's some free options. But again, I had to spend a little money, but this is what worked best for me to get the content I wanted to get out to you guys. So let me know in the comments below. Please give me a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to Storytellers Union for this content, our own original musical content, and a whole lot more. Thanks, everybody. Stay safe.